Welcome back. As summer gets underway, one Kentucky nonprofit is launching a campaign to help women rebuild their lives after human trafficking and sexual exploitation. Refuge for Women Kentucky hopes to raise $20,000 over the next 8 weeks, yes, through its Radiate Freedom Summer Restoration Campaign, providing safe housing, counseling, life skills training, and other critical support services. Joining us now is Community Engagement Coordinator Julian MCPEAK to tell us more about the effort and how the community can get involved in this big campaign. We all need to get involved. It's so important. But go ahead and tell us about the services and mission of Refuge for Women.
Sure. So Refuge for Women is a residential housing program that provides trauma-informed wraparound care and resources for women over the age of 18 that have survived some sort of sexual exploitation and human trafficking.
I see. Okay. And then tell us about the campaign, Julian, because I know we were just talking about this, and she said, you know, it's so difficult in the summertime because a lot of times families travel, people go places, and for some reason they just don't donate as much. Sure. And you know, obviously Refuge for Women, like other places, needs as much resources as they can get to help these young women.
Sure. So I mean, summer is a big travel time, so people have a lot of other things going on, but as we approach the July 4th holiday, I think our country focuses on like freedom and what that means to us, and the reality is that not everyone living in the United States is truly free, and our mission is to allow these women to restore their lives, to find hope, to give them tools, transportation assistance, housing, therapy, skill building, the types of things, and restoration that truly lets them be free. And I think the important thing to remember is that like freedom is also the ability to make choices that keep you free. And so the idea behind this campaign is just to give us some additional financial resources through the summer to be able to provide that care for these women. And like you said, like we were talking about, we get busy and we forget, but it's just really important that if you have a local nonprofit that you support and a mission that you want to get behind, the summertime is still an important time for those of us that are providing human services for people.
Yeah, absolutely, because people need care year round.
Yes.
Right?
Completely.
Yeah, for sure. Now, we had a QR code a bit ago. You could directly donate to that, but just tell us exactly, right, there's the QR code right there. Tell us where will the funds directly go? Yes,
so they will go into our the Refuge for Women Kentucky Human Trafficking Survivor Relief Fund. And so what that allows us to do is provide those different services, some of the graphics that you saw on the screen earlier, things like transportation. It will allow us to pay the bills to keep the roof over their heads for the beds that they sleep in. It lets us get them to their different appointments that they need to do. It provides groceries. It provides self-care hygiene items. It essentially allows us to take trauma-informed care and give it to these women throughout, not just the summer, obviously, but throughout the entire year. We are a 365-day residential program.
Okay, and I was about to say, your particular facility, how many women do you help there?
So we actually have 2 homes in the state of Kentucky. We have an emergency home in Louisville that has up to 8 beds, and that's a little bit different than the program we operate closer to the Lexington area. The Lexington area, we own an area that has 24 individual living apartment complexes, and those apartments can also house women and their children.
And their children.
So it's 24 apartments, but then we also have children that will often come with these ladies. So
okay, that's all the more reason why we need to reach this goal.
Yes.
Right, of $20,000 in 8 weeks. All right, now can you accept non-monetary donations?
We can. We are always looking for newly packaged clothing items like socks and underwear and bras. We have a lot of churches that will do grocery shopping for us, and we'll just kind of bring in loads of eggs, milk, some of the fresh items that you can't always get through your government assistance programs, that type of thing. So I'm the contact for that. My email is julian.mcpeak@refugeforwomen.org. And we will definitely work with you in whatever way that you feel like your donation is best served.
Wonderful. Okay, so these are all the ways that people can donate and get involved in this.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. All right. Well, thank you so much, Julian McPeak. We
you.
hope that you reach that goal.
Thank
we
you.
want you to.
Thank
All
you.
right, definitely. And we'll be right back with your health minute next.